Hi team, today we're talking about crisis response and health and safety.
I'm Emma Wignall, the Event Response Lead at AA Insurance.
And my name is Sam Johnson, the founder of SVA. Emma, over to you.
Thanks, Sam. In a crisis, people feel scared, uncertain and overwhelmed, often searching for hope. The first response in a crisis comes through emergency services, what we call the first wave of help. Where SVA steps in is with the second wave, the sustained effort to provide ongoing care and resources so communities can fully recover and rebuild. When a crisis happens and SVA activates, you will be supported by the SVA management team of staff and other SVA volunteers. This team will assist you alongside the SVA technology that is in place to run volunteer deployments. Once the team is in place, the first step is to let people know that help is coming. Use social media channels to share updates. This reassures the community and inspires others to join. Choose projects that match the needs of the community and ones that are safe for volunteers. That might mean clearing debris, delivering food, supporting families or assisting with cleanup. Life-threatening or dangerous work must be left to emergency services. If there is a large volume of work, prioritising will be important. You'll need to discuss the incoming tasks with your team and quickly agree on a simple method. To keep everything organised and shareable, you could set up a simple centralised spreadsheet. This is a great way to collate, track and assign the information. Work closely with local agencies, organisations and groups. Civil defence, councils and marae. They will know where help is most needed and can connect you to meaningful, safe work. Get organised now. Link up with the SVA management team to confirm exactly what gear you need and where you can focus the action. Be prepared with the SVA Go Kit, gloves, key tools, food, water and a clear emergency plan. Expect volunteers to be deployed using SVA technology, but also be ready for spontaneous walk-ups. For every person who just turns up, sign them in, give them the health and safety briefing, and then they can get work started. Communicate with, encourage and thank volunteers daily. That way you can sustain the response, particularly if there is a lot to do. And once you've completed your project, debrief with your volunteers. Crisis work can be emotionally heavy. Give your team time to share their experiences and support each other. And remember Manaakitanga, care and support. This is so important.
Hey, thanks Emma. Now, keeping people safe is one of the most important roles of an organiser. It's what makes the volunteers confident, the people we help feel respected, and ensures the work is done properly. So, start with hazard identification. Look around you and discuss with others what's the absolute worst that could happen here and how do we protect our volunteers against it. Are there traffic risks? Are there sharp tools? Is there bad weather on the way? Once you know the risks, list these out and put simple measures in place so people are aware of those risks. Personal protection equipment, or PPE, is essential. Gloves, high-vis vests, sun cream, water bottles are simple ways to keep volunteers safe. It doesn't need to be complicated, just be thoughtful. You are the organiser, you are the leader. If you're organising a project last minute or in a disaster, ask them to bring gear from home. A key thing is just to be aware of your surroundings. At the start of every event, please explain the risks, the safety rules, and who volunteers can turn to for help. Clear communication reduces accidents. Always have a first aid kit handy and designate someone as the safety lead. Now remember, health and safety isn't just physical. Emotional safety matters just as much. Be respectful, be radically inclusive, and mindful of how everyone feels. SVA projects often involve supporting vulnerable people, so dignity must be front of mind. Always smile, be caring, be patient. The key takeaway is simple. When you plan ahead and communicate clearly, safety becomes second nature, and volunteers feel confident to give their best and be the best version of themselves. Take care, be safe out there, and we look forward to seeing what you create.